It looks like he's gonna do that.
I hope that he comes closer. Then this would be an awesome day. Oh yeah! Fire! Fire! More fire!
Here he comes.
Yeah, here it comes.
You getting excited?
Yeah. Dylan!
Dylan!
I'll go get him.
What are you doing, Dylan?
I'll go get him.
He's trying to get to the balloon. Chelsea, come here, look at this. Do you see it?
Yeah, I do see it from here.
Don't get too close to it.
Why?
What are you doing?
To what? To what?
To where the balloon's going.
I see it's making fire. What that was, did they put fire out again?
Yep. Aaron, go stand right in front of that tree.
In the front of the...
Just go run, stand right in front of it. You too, Chelsea, I'll take a picture. All right, turn around.